Removing a partner from an LLC using LegalZoom is a straightforward process that can be done through their platform. If you and your business partners have decided to part ways, LegalZoom offers services to help you navigate the necessary legal steps. Here's how the process generally works. First, you'll need to review your LLC's operating agreement. This document should outline the process for removing a partner. If you don't have an operating agreement or if it's unclear, LegalZoom can help you create or amend one to reflect the changes you need. It's essential that your operating agreement specifies the method for removing a partner, as this will be key in avoiding disputes. Next, once the terms are clear, you can proceed to legally remove the partner from your LLC through LegalZoom services. You can file the necessary paperwork, such as amendment to your articles of organization or dissolution document, depending on whether you are continuing the LLC with fewer members or dissolving it entirely. LegalZoom provides access to these forms along with the step by step guidance on how to fill them out and submit to the appropriate state authorities. After you submit the documents, LegalZoom will assist you in notifying any relevant agencies, ensuring that your LLC is updated to reflect the new ownership structure. They also offer legal support and advice to help you through the process should any issues arise. It's important to note that removing a partner can have significant financial and legal implications. LegalZoom services include business consultations and legal advice, so be sure to take advantage of their expertise, which makes such important decisions. If you need to remove a partner from your LLC, consider using LegalZoom services to streamline the process and ensure everything is done correctly. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more legal tips, and have comment below if you have had experience with removing a partner from your LLC. We'd love to hear more from you.